guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you can unlock from the research store in Heartopia. So I finally unlocked level 5, so let's go here. So you do have to press on the arrows. I think this is the last level for now. Let's upgrade it. So finally, my central console is upgraded to level 5. So higher levels are coming soon, but I can't open it yet. Like, there's nothing here yet on this server. So here's everything that you can get. It's still locked like usual, but now I have the third research device. You can also level up the research device here. Let me pop that bubble first. And then I think I can level it up again. And then level it up again. I think that's it. Let me see. Oh, I think I can do one more. Yay, I can finally level these up. Let's see how fast it goes. Okay, so it's 2 days and 23 hours. So let's level it up one more. Okay, I think it's the same still because I just put it in. But let's level up every single thing so it speeds up faster. And I want to research, oh my gosh, the Serpentine roller coaster track. There's a banana loop one. So you will need 30 roaming oak timbers and 30 flawless fluorite. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. But yeah, that is what you get if you unlock every level of the research station in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!